Alright folks, this is Amtrak's San Joaquin train 710 going to Bakersfield. Here it comes. A special guest is on that train. You guys know him, Isaac Henwood. He's on this train going to Stockton. This is 710 with a 90278. Isaac's in this car. There he is. I see him. There's Isaac. Right there. SC44 in the back. So we'll pause here for a second. We'll be right back. All right, folks, we're back. This is Amtrak San Joaquin train 710 on its way to Bakersfield. 90278. It's the NPCU, and he hopped in the quiet zone. Our friend Isaac Henwood is on this train. He is going to Stockton to Rail Fan on National Train Day. All right, it has a cement charger on this one at the back. Okay, David Jones' favorite charger, 2108. Alright folks, there it goes folks, to Bakersfield. Have a safe trip to Stockton, Isaac. Be safe. I'm Marcel Hall, have a good one. Alright, see you later.